Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to delete your Facebook account permanently or temporarily. For this, just open your Facebook app and here you just have to tap on the three horizontal line top right on your screen corner. Just tap on it and now scroll down and look for setting and privacy. Just tap on it. Now tap on settings and here you can see the option of account center. Just tap on it and now scroll down and look for personal details. Just tap on it and then tap on account ownership and control, and then you can see the option of deactivation or deletion of account. Just tap on it and then select your account, and here you have two options of deactivate account or delete account. You just have to select delete account and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted, and if you want to deactivate this account temporarily, so you can select the deactivation option. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.